Welcome to another video by The Trade Table. In this video, we'll guide you through finding the perfect washer and dryer sizes for your home. When it comes to buying washers and dryers, size truly matters. It's not just about finding a machine that will fit into your laundry space, but also ensuring it can be delivered into your home without any hassle. The dimensions of these appliances can influence their capacity, efficiency, and the convenience they offer in your daily chores. Thus, understanding the importance of these dimensions can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Choosing the wrong size can lead to more than a tight squeeze in your laundry room. It can result in inefficient washing cycles, ineffective drying, and even physical damage to your appliances or home. Think about your laundry habits and the size of your household. Do you often find your laundry basket overflowing at the end of the week? Or maybe you live alone and need something more compact. The right size can accommodate your lifestyle with ease. Consider the aesthetics as well. A well-fitting washer and dryer can complement your home's interior rather than sticking out awkwardly. Many modern homes are designed with sleek, integrated laundry areas. A perfect fit ensures that your appliances enhance the space rather than clutter it. This attention to detail can make chores feel a little less like work, and who wouldn't want that? So, before you rush into purchasing that shiny new washer or dryer, take a moment to reflect on its size. It's the first step to ensuring a smooth and satisfying laundry experience. Size is more than a number. It's a crucial decision that impacts your everyday life. Before embarking on your quest for the ideal washer and dryer, it's essential to measure your laundry area accurately. Start by measuring the width, depth, and height of the space where you plan to install the appliances. This includes considering any counters, cabinets, or walls that might limit the space. Don't forget to factor in additional space for doors to open fully and for leaving room for ventilation. Ventilation is crucial for both the efficiency and longevity of your appliances. A well-measured space ensures that your new appliances will fit perfectly without any unexpected surprises during installation. Imagine investing in top-tier machines only to find they don't pass through your hallway. Speaking of which, always measure the route from your entrance to the laundry room. This includes doorways, hallways, and any tight corners. A helpful tip is to clear any obstacles along this path before delivery day to ensure a smooth transition. Consider the path as a journey your appliances must take to reach their final destination. Make sure that the width of doorways and hallways is larger than the appliances. Don't forget that some machines, especially large capacity ones, might need to be tipped slightly to fit through tight spots. This can add a few inches to their effective width. Lastly, let's not overlook the utility connections. Ensure there's adequate space for plumbing and electrical connections. It's a good idea to locate and measure the distance from water outlets and electrical sockets to where your machines will sit. This planning prevents future headaches during setup. Understanding the standard dimensions of washers and dryers can greatly aid in your selection process. Generally, a standard washer and dryer are about 27 inches wide. The height typically ranges from 36 to 39 inches, and the depth is about 30 to 34 inches. These dimensions provide a baseline for what to expect in most average-sized appliances, accommodating typical laundry needs. However, these standard dimensions might not fit everyone's space or lifestyle. For those with limited room, compact machines are a practical alternative. Compact washers and dryers are usually about 24 inches wide, allowing them to fit into tighter spaces. Their depth and height also tend to be slightly less, making them a suitable option for apartments or smaller homes. For households with larger laundry needs, large capacity washers and dryers become relevant. These machines can be wider, sometimes reaching up to 30 inches in width with increased depth and height to match. They accommodate more clothes per cycle, which can be a significant time and energy saver for busy families. Lastly, for those interested in maximizing vertical space, stackable units are a wonderful choice. These typically maintain the standard width, but allow you to stack the dryer on top of the washer, effectively cutting the floor space needed in half. This can be a lifesaver in laundry closets or other constrained spaces. The style of washer and dryer you choose can impact both your laundry routine and the layout of your laundry area. Front-load washers are known for their efficiency and gentle handling of clothes. They usually require a little more bending to load and unload, so consider the ergonomics if you have back issues. Placing them on pedestals can ease this concern and provide extra storage space underneath. Top-load washers, on the other hand, offer a traditional approach that many find convenient for quick loading without bending. They generally take up more vertical space but are easy to access. Ensure you have enough overhead space for the lid to open fully. This style is often preferred for faster cycles and reliability. Stackable units are perfect for saving space. They can be set up in a closet or a narrow laundry room. Just make sure the stacked height doesn't exceed your reach. Compact units are ideal for singles or couples living in smaller spaces. They fit nicely under counters or in closets but may require more frequent loads due to their smaller capacity. Portable and all-in-one units are great for those who frequently move or have limited installation options. They combine washing and drying functions into one machine, saving space and hassle. They can be easily stored away when not in use, making them versatile for small apartments. Remember to check the water and electrical requirements for these units to ensure compatibility with your home setup. In conclusion, when searching for the perfect washer and dryer, consider checking out the trade table. They offer a wide variety of options tailored to fit every need and space constraint, ensuring you find the best fit for your home. Happy Laundry Day!